The year is 2028. Cats are appearing everywhere. No one knows where they're coming from, only the fact that they are taking over. Who is responsible for this? Where are they coming from? How can we stop them? Brave people are at work to try to get to the bottom of this situation. And who is behind all of this?
This is Sunny Shines coming to you live with a breaking story of lots of cats everywhere.
It would appear that a ground force of cats has landed. They've taken over. They're unstoppable, unrelenting, and they have overwhelmed the natural defense forces. Dogs everywhere, simply with no more fight left in them, have had to just rest and lay back and wait for the humans to try to take over the fight against these cats.
Avalon, our evil plan is working. Soon the volcano will erupt and cover the world with cats. Yes, cats everywhere. There will be nothing the humans can do to stop it.
Okay.
It's raining cats. Hallelujah, it's raining cats. Meow.
Dr. Brains hard at work to figure out a solution to this problem.
I've got it. We'll have a meeting tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I'll send the email right now.
Why did you call us together?
To address the cat problem.
These cats are a plague on humanity and they have to go.
I am deeply concerned about this cat problem. I don't know what we're going to do about this. Do you have any ideas?
I think we should send a rocket up to a planet with all the catnip on the world in it, and the cats will probably follow. Who is brave enough to take up this mission?
I am. I know of a planet. Kepler 186b has oxygen and water, just like Earth. I am brave enough to go. I can do this. Go save the world. It smells like cats. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is Galaxy Star reporting on rocket in Capcom Agora Hills. Am I ready for takeoff?
Galaxy Star, this is Capcom Agora Hills. Are you ready for launch?
Roger that, sir.
Engines.
Check.
Life support.
Check.
Nitro.
Check.
Cheese puffs.
Check.
Decaf green tea.
Check.
Catnip payload.
Check.
Roger, you are go for launch.
Roger that, sir. This is for freedom from cats for all of mankind.
So, Mr. Anti-Cat, how do you feel about this breaking news of cats everywhere?
I'll tell you, Sonny. They don't like cats, they don't like me. Someone's gotta go and it won't be me. Whoa!
Capcom Agora Hills, we have cleared the tower. The clock is running.
Brave Galaxy Star lifts off to the stars, heading towards Kepler 186b with her payload of catnip, hoping to lure the cats away from our planet and restore our way of life.
is this planet? Excuse me, do you know where Kepler 186b is?